Hey, welcome at another autumn car wash video. Today is very cold outside, 6 degrees. We're towards the end of November and today we're going to pimp my wife's Renault Zoe ride. We have schmutzige velgen. Yeah, my wife is on a business trip, so what nicer way to come back in the weekend and have a super clean Renault Zoe waiting for you for new Zoe adventures. This car has such an intense color. And because of it you would say like, oh, it's not very dirty, look, it's still shining. But remember this picture, and then let's look at the end of the video, because it's going to be totally amazing. Yeah, and what have we got today for today's project? First of all, a new snow foam, MJJC foam. This was sent to me by a community member to try out, since I'm always boasting about how much I like foam and how much I like unique smells. So this looks pretty good. This looks to me like cocos, palm oil, probably that makes it super slick. Yeah, and I'm very thankful for sending this over. We're going to give it a try and see how it works. Then after the dirt has been softened and the big parts have been removed, I'm going to be trying out for the first time. I picked this up in a local construction store, Turtle Wax Max Power, and of course I'm going for the strongest because this car hasn't been washed in a while. Then we're going to be using, from my favorite Action supermarket, the wheel cleaner to make the Renault Zoe wheels shine again. And finally, yeah, to really pimp up that Renault Zoe Celadon Bleu shine that I like so much, and that's the reason my wife bought this car. Going to be putting Brilliant Shine Detailer, which should be giving an extra protection layer here in the winter and in the summer to repel dirt and water. So hopefully we can keep that shine going on much longer. Of course, Reifen Shine, tire shine from my favorite budget supermarket Aldi. I still have some left. And then I have picked up from Lidl these microfiber car wash gloves. And also one from Amazon from one of my favorite brands, Dunlop. Very cheap, maybe €3 each. Let's see how they perform and let's go wash this Renault Zoe. Très bien, Zoe, très bien. So I've already preloaded my favorite foam sprayer with 2 liters of water, and now we're going to be adding the snow foam to it. What I really liked about this is that it actually came in this hard box. Inside was very well protected, and there was also a really good outside box around it when I ordered it. And also much better than with Amazon. They always send you these flimsy boxes and sometimes the product goes broke. Okay, Amazon replaces it really well, but yeah, you don't want to do all that. So this looks really sturdy. Yeah, nice little bottle. I like the design. Looks very cool. Yeah, really curious for the smell and this palm stuff. I think it... Yeah, let's see how this MJJC foam smells. That smells really nice. Yeah, it does smell a bit like palm trees, coconuts, a bit on the, yeah, a bit slightly tropical. Not so strong. For me it could be even stronger, the smell, but I guess for most people this would be just right. So and what I've already done is I've already taken hot water with me from home, because that works much better with snow foam. Drink up. I think 1 to 10 is too much. I'm going to put, let's say, 50 milliliter for 2 liters of water. Here. I just use one of these things from washing detergent. But yeah, it's really good because then you can really measure. Nice blue stuff. Looks a bit turquoise like the ocean. And now let's put it in the Sonax foam sprayer. So, 2 liters of water. 50 milliliters of MJJC Snow Foam. And let's test it out on the car. So you have to make sure that when you start that you mix it up a bit like this. So. And then you mix the snow foam. Now we're going to start pumping. It's a bit of work, but imagine you have one of these small hand pumps and it will be even much more difficult. So this here, in my opinion, is still the best compromise if you don't have your own high pressure washer. But you do want to make your own snow foam with your own ingredients. Yeah. That's really not so bad, because it comes out very easily. It sprays really well, and as you can see, okay, I mean the foam is thick, but it stays on the car really well. I actually wasn't expecting this. I thought it would be, more like a thin foam. But this is really thick. I mean, look at that. You can see this. See? Very thick foam. Incredibly slick. It's quite nice. Here's a bit of a close-up of the snow foam so far. Yeah, I mean, imagine I would have taken 100 milliliter and then gone with the 100 milliliter on the 1 liter of water. It would have been incredibly thick. Maybe it wouldn't even have gone out. But actually I'm quite happy with the result. You can see it stays on the car, slowly moves down, but really has a lot of time to work into the dirt of the Renault Zoe. And the slickness, it is just fantastic. And it smells still. I still smell this cocos palmy beachy smell. I wish it was as strong as some of the other shampoos. Maybe they can update that. But for snow foam, in a portable snow foam cannon, I think it's very nice. I'll finish the rest of the car and then we'll rinse it off. And this MJJC Snow Foam is exactly doing what I wanted to do, which is produce a very thick layer of foam that stays on the Renault Zoe, then loosens all the dirt, so that with the high pressure washer I can rinse it off easily. And I know I won't be scratching my Renault Zoe car, but only pimping it. It's very nice. Yeah, and here looking at the Renault Zoe avec Snow Foam. I mean, she's all covered, she's all right. Looks a bit like an ice cream. But I mean, look how well that snow foam, and that's already some minutes ago, is attaching to the car. And yeah, 50 milliliter in 2 liters of water, and then this is really nice. It's quite economical. I wish it smelled as strong as some of the other shampoos out there. I guess it's a personal preference. But aside of that, yeah, go ahead and give this new brand a try, and maybe you'll like it too. So, and while the Renault Zoe is snow foaming, I'm going to be cleaning the Renault Zoe wheels with Action Supermarkets CNC Automotive Wheel Cleaner. Very cheap, but as you've seen, I've compared it against the Sonax Felgenbeest, Felgenschwein, Felgenmonster, and it performed actually really well also. Cheap product, so it doesn't have any fancy work indicators. I have a red that you can see that it's working, but it does clean wheels. So while the Zoe foams, and we still have a couple of minutes, let's spray on this Action Wheel Cleaner. So first shake it and spray it. I really like it that it has a very fine mist, which allows you to really get deep into the cracks and also, yeah, hit every spot. But you don't also overspray because of that. And some of these other wheel cleaners, yeah, they really have this strong center spray, and then yeah, you waste a lot of product. This is already very cheap, but what I really appreciate is that they have thought about these things. They also spray nice and deep into the where the brakes are and on the disc. And then you will not see with this one that the brake dust is going away, but trust me, it's really working. So now let's do it. So, and for stage 2 of the Renault Zoe cleaning, Turtle Wax Max Power, the strongest we can go. We're going to be using the extreme version, and we're going to be using 600 milliliter in about 10 liters of water. So that's right up the alley of Ultra Strong. Yeah, which actually, if you look at it, is already half of the package. So not very economical. Let's give it a try. I saw it. I think it was about 15 euro, which is way more expensive than in the USA. But of course, we're in the Netherlands here. Of course, I have my own water, hot. So it works much better with the shampoo. And also, your hands don't get so cold. So it looks really poisonous. Let's see how it smells. Well, it smells really nice. It smells very fruity. Yeah, it smells like German multivitamin saft. You know, the type of stuff that you get in a hotel, in the breakfast room, that's orange. That's what it smells like, so very nice. to smell so good I would almost drink it, but please don't do that. You see, 1/3 of the bottle gone. That sucks. The best part is just putting in your own hot water, and then you can have the best car wash ever. Because at these stations, I mean, if you can, you just don't know what they put in it. Of scheiße, verdammt. Often it's very weak and it doesn't perform well. But if you do it like this, then you always have the best ingredients and your favorite brands with you. And what do I think about this turtle wax? I mean, I really needed quite a lot of the product, which is not so nice. And I mean, yeah, it's okay. It foams, but it doesn't foam so strong. I mean, as you saw, I put really a lot of it in the packaging, in the bucket. Yeah, and then I really want it also to foam. I mean, that's what you buy a shampoo for, but not too much of that. And honestly, I find that a bit disappointing. But who knows? Maybe it's also the fact that we have really hard water here in the Netherlands, where I am. That could also play a part in it. But I think that if you put that much shampoo, I would expect more foam and more slickness. What do you think? Have you used this Turtle Wax Max Power before? Is it good for stripping waxes and dirt? Do you get more foam out of it? Let me know, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you. So, welcome back. We're now in the garage of a shopping center. But at least here I can quietly dry my car with my Sonax drying towel, my trockentuch. I mean, for a small car like the Renault Zoe, it's quite okay. But yeah, for a bigger car, I would like to have a bigger drying towel. If you know a good brand and one that performs really well, write me in the comments, and I'll be looking forward to give it a try. Because if you have a really big sedan, and then one of these drying towels is not enough, and you actually need multiple ones. So, and to give it the finishing touch, the Sonax Extreme Brilliant Shine Detailer. I have read so many reviews on Amazon Germany, and on YouTube, that this stuff is fantastic and has a super good protection and shine. Let's put it on the car, on the Zoe, and see how it performs. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. It smells really nice. It smells like kokos. Oh, I did not expect this. It was a very pleasant smell indeed. And towards the end, I like to do these lower parts of the car with just a dedicated spray. Yeah, like this. And then just use because those ones get hit the most and will get the most dirty. So I just wipe it like this. And you don't even need a second towel to wipe it off. Because, trust me, it needs it over there. And then also your lower part will be much better protected and won't get so dirty. Which makes your next car wash also a lot easier. And as you can see, the shine is just amazing. The Renault Zoe is very shiny. Looks like a fantastic Celadon Bleu Princess. But there's one thing missing, the finishing touch. A bit of tire shine from Aldi supermarket. Yeah. Super cool. So easy to apply. And you let it just dry and it does the rest by itself. Highly recommend this if you have an Aldi supermarket to buy this Auto XS. You will not regret it. So, and we're here with the final result of the Pimp My Wife's Renault Zoe video. But verdammt. Annoying sounds here, but look at the result. Look how intense the car shines, the reflection. And it looks absolutely amazing. So, what a nice car. What a nice car is this Renault Zoe. I mean, look at it. Celadon Bleu. Looks like it came brand new out of the factory in the showroom. Looks like somebody paid maybe €1,000 for a detailing job. But we were able to do this for only a fraction of the money. We kept the car completely scratch-free. We protected and sealed it with really nice products. So here again a summary of how we started. We started out with this really nice MJJC Snow Foam. Then we went budget, but very good result with the Action Wheel Cleaner. Removed all the dirt. Then we went all out and did Max Power Turtle Wax. Used quite a bit, but still a good product. I think I'll use this as a pre-wash in the Snow Foam can next time. Then we did Brilliant Shine Detailer from Sonax. I now completely understand why all the Germans love this product. Smells terrific like cocos. And the shine on this car is amazing. And I'm for sure it has really good protection, it will last quite long. And then we again saved some money, but got fantastic looking tires. Maybe from this side you can see better. See how dark they are? There's no more dirt on them. Aldi tire shine, highly recommended. And while washing again, this wash mitt, it's on the ground now, but I'm going to wash it anyways. Wash mitt from Lidl, I can highly recommend it. This one from Dunlop costs about the same, €3. But I like it a bit more because it has these, yeah, I don't know what you call these things, fluffy things, lamella. And then this soft back, and it's much more heavy and much more sturdy than the Lidl one. All really good products. I think if you would buy all of them, you'll pay maybe, well, let's be realistic here, €40. But then you have a full set that'll last really long. Let me know which product you like the most. And yeah, what I should try next to make the Renault Zoe shine. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me. I wish you a fantastic weekend and a lot of fun time washing and taking care of your car. Au revoir.